Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel and another grocery haul. I'm sorry about the noise in the background, but my neighbor is having his yard mowed again for like the 4th time in 3 weeks. I'm excited about some of the things I was able to get this week, and I'm disappointed about other things. I'm going to try to do the Whole Foods order again just to see if maybe I can get the things that I didn't get from Kroger. I did get quite a bit of stuff, but still not some of the things that I was hoping to get. So anyway, the usual suspects, 5 gallons of milk, a different type of tea for my husband. I got 2 boxes of the Pacific tomato soup. My husband and I really like that. I got another thing of the Simple Truth Organic Gluten-Free All-Purpose Baking Mix that I use for my baked chicken recipe. Or 2 boxes of the girls' granola that they like, pumpkin seed and flax granola. Another box of the Simple Truth chocolate sandwich cookies, which are like Oreo kind of dupes. 2 boxes of elbow macaroni, which they're not the right kind. They were supposed to be gluten-free, but I think Kroger Clicklist is getting a little overwhelmed. I've had a couple things that were not what I ordered. I've had 2 things that have had holes in them, and so I've broken things. So I think they're just getting a little careless because they're so overwhelmed. But anyway, it's fine. I got a box of Zesta crackers, which up to this point I had not been able to get, so that's exciting. I got another frozen pizza for my husband, a ranch dressing, 3 packages of chicken, and this is one of the things I was talking about. I ordered 3 of the Simple Truth organic chicken, and they gave me 2 organic and 1 regular. Again, I mean, it's not going to kill us, but that's not what I ordered. But anyway, I got a couple things of candy because it's Easter on Sunday, and I didn't know what they were going to have left. So I got a couple things. That way, even if they were out of one, maybe I'd have a chance of getting the other. So I got the Hershey eggs, and then this is an 8-pack of Hershey's, and then 2 singles for my daughter's Easter baskets. So for people that were worried that they did not get chocolate in their Easter basket, they are getting chocolate in their Easter basket. Another thing of ham for my husband, and another bag of the Simple Truth Organic semi-sweet chocolate chips. I got some pita bread because I was going to make something I used to make all the time with pita bread and the Laughing Cow light cheese. It's really good for lunch. And then I would put ready-made chicken on the inside, but they didn't have any ready-made chicken. So I'm probably just going to take one of these and make it, like, cook it up and then just do my own chicken. So it's fine. It's just an extra step that I'll have to do. A cucumber. I got 3 bottles of the Simple Truth Organic Italian seasoning. We go through it pretty quickly for a couple different recipes, and it was buy 2, get 1 free. So I got 2 and we got 1 for free, and then this is something that was broken, but it's okay. I got 3 more packages of the organic Black Forest ham. It was on sale this week, so that was exciting. 2 bags of gallon-sized freezer bags, 2 more things of butter, and I was really excited to get Kroger green beans. I have not been able to get Kroger green beans since this all started, so that's really exciting. I've gotten them from Whole Foods, but I don't remember getting any from Kroger. You guys maybe would know more than me if you have seen my previous hauls. I don't remember getting any Kroger green beans since all this started, so I don't know. But anyway, that's what I have so far. I'm going to be sharing my meal plan with you guys just like I did last time. And as always, make sure you're scanning your receipts with Fetch Rewards. I've talked about this before, and I thought you guys all knew that I use it, but so many people told me that they didn't know about it. Basically, it's a free app that you put on your phone. Anytime you go to the grocery, you scan your receipt, and no matter what you bought, you get points, and then you can turn those points in for gift cards. I have a link in my description box where you can sign up for free and start earning points that you can use for gift cards for restaurants and pet supplies and retail and spa and travel. So make sure if you don't have your Fetch Rewards account that you sign up. It is free. Use my link in the description box. You will get, I think, 2,000 bonus points just to get you started. So definitely make sure you're signing up for Fetch Rewards and using it every single time you grocery shop. Okay, so second part of the grocery haul, I just did another Whole Foods Amazon free delivery thing. I'm telling you what, this is spoiling me for life forever. Thank goodness and bless Whole Foods little heart. They had broccoli. I'm so excited. They wouldn't let me get any more than 4, so that's what I got, but they did have it. I have 4 bags of broccoli, and I'm so excited. Who knew broccoli would be so exciting? I also got some organic chicken strips, some organic pre-cooked chicken breast strips that Kroger didn't have, 4 more loaves of bread, 2 organic, 2 regular, 2 of the tiniest little tomatoes. I thought they were bigger than this, but that's okay. I'll make them work. 2 things of organic diced tomatoes, more green beans. You guys, we go through green beans like crazy. So I've got 6 cans of organic green beans, 2 things of organic tomato juice. I didn't know if they were gonna have both or one or the other. So I went ahead and ordered 2, and they actually had both brands, so we'll have enough to have chili twice. And then I got a thing of the organic pancake syrup. I've never tried their brand before. We usually get, well, it's not their brand, but I've never gotten a different kind besides Costco's organic syrup and Kroger's organic syrup. I think this is a little bit cheaper than the Kroger brand. It's 20 ounces. And I think it's better per ounce to get this versus the Simple Truth Organic from Kroger. So haven't had it. I'm assuming it tastes just fine, but I picked that up since I was placing my order. So now that I have pretty much everything I need, I'm gonna sit down and make my meal plan and show you guys what our meal plan is for the next week. Okay, so sorry the lighting's weird. It's nighttime now and it's dark and I've got my desk lamp on, so it's kind of making a shadow. But I'm starting on Friday because I had to change some of what I had planned last week because I'm still struggling to figure out how to feed my husband. I'm not used to him being home at dinner. And I make what I think is enough food, and it's not. So he's eating a lot of what I had planned to make leftovers for 2 days, and he'll eat it in 1 day, and there's not enough left the next day. So still trying to figure that out. I did get those tomatoes today. They were super tiny, and one of them has kind of like a little dent in it, and I am afraid it's going to go bad if I don't use it. So even though I wasn't planning on having this tomorrow, I think I'm going to make chicken tomato pasta, which will make my oldest daughter happy because it's her favorite. I don't know if this recipe is actually called something more technical than chicken tomato pasta. We've made it for so long, I don't even have a recipe card anymore, and that's just what we call it. So that's tomorrow. Let's see, Saturday, I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to skip that for a second. Sunday is Easter, so I'm going to make baked chicken because everybody likes that, and even though that's not a traditional Easter meal, it's going to be this year. So baked chicken with, potatoes and green beans, which you guys know I have plenty of now. And then we'll have leftovers from that on Monday, providing I actually cook enough and can feed my husband. So that's that. Saturday, probably don't want to have a chicken thing just because we're having chicken here and chicken here. And Saturday is my husband and my movie night, and we have brownies, and I don't want to fill up on a big dinner and then not want brownies because, you know, priorities, you got to save room for dessert. So I think Saturday we'll probably have what we call EMFH, every man for himself. So we've got lots of choices. We've got little organic Lunchables we can have. They can do oatmeal, eggs, a sandwich, you know, something kind of small, just whatever anybody wants. What else? Maybe soup, just things we already have that are easy to make, already pretty much made, just have to warm it up. We'll have that on Saturday. So that puts us back at Wednesday. Probably we'll have chili, even though I don't want that. I've got the stuff to make it. It's really easy to make, and it does make good leftovers if I make enough. So I'm going to put double because I know if I just make a normal batch, then there's not going to be enough left for the next day. And I want to make leftovers because I like to cook once and eat twice whenever possible. So that'll be chili. And then Friday we can do chicken quesadillas. And here we are on Saturday again, and a really simple meal that is really good but doesn't last long is broccoli pasta. Again, I don't know if that's what it's called. That's what it's called, but we call it that. And then Sunday, I'll have a little bit more time, so maybe homemade spaghetti. Because even now, even though we're home all the time, I try not to make elaborate meals during the week just because I work out during the week and there's school, homeschool, and different stuff like that. And that's pretty much it, I think, for the week. That gives me a good week and 2 days planned. Obviously, you know, I can always change things, but I'm trying to make sure that I use the more perishable ingredients first. So that's why we did the tomatoes up here. And then also things that, whether we want them or not, the things that I have all the ingredients for. So like chili, and it is actually supposed to be a little bit cooler next week than it has been. So I think that'll be okay. Let me know in the comments what you guys are making for dinner this week. I could definitely use some meal ideas. I'm not the most adventurous cook. I like really plain, basic, simple, but healthy things. And every time I find a recipe, it's always got too many ingredients or things that I don't have or things I don't like. So if you guys have any suggestions of easy, kind of non-spicy, a little bit more plain recipes, definitely leave them for me in the comments. I could really use your help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.